Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna post this to the Discord. This is a locker tour. Okay, so first up we got avatars. We got the King Gorilla, Block Man, Cave Dreller, Snow Lemur, Devil Lemur, and Red Monkey. Of course, I'm wearing the I'm wearing this. I'm gonna be always wearing this outfit probably, but it's not official. But yeah. Okay, next up we got my gadgets. We got the moderation stick, microphone, which I use for bad monkeys. The Discord Slayer, shing shing shing. TikTok pickaxe, and what everybody starts off with, just the pickaxe. And of course there is more, like these web shooters. Just come with me for a second. Here, hold on. Like web shooters. And yeah, with web shooters. This block that helps you build. And yeah, that's it basically. So yeah, that's it for that. We got wings, no wings yet. Hats, no hats yet. Suits, we got the male tunic and the green shirt. I was originally gonna go like this, but I like this more. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys. This is my locker tour, and thank you.